currently doing our rebuild on. We'll be taking this apart, redoing all of the seals, taking this out, taking these out, and redoing the function. Because right now we're getting stuck on these clamps, having a hard time coming back out. So we're going to rebuild that whole process. Our piston screws are all still connected, so they can come off nice and easily. Actually, we're going to take this off, and we'll leave down our brake line, and we'll release all of our fluid. Just one complete. Now we're just going to jump to the other side, and we'll do it on the other side. Okay, so we've got our two sides here. We're going to start on the throttle side. So we're going to see if we can't just drain this all out. Off. I wonder if we just pull them, because these things right here, you can see that, is these don't move very easily, and so they're getting seized up. So I need to get them out, clean them up, re-lube it, put it back in. I'm hoping here if I can heat them up maybe. So, I got those off. Give these a rinse. Now, is these two pieces, take them apart, clean them up, and paint them. So what we're going to be doing is reassembling this. We've got our nice paint job, nice fresh black, gloss black. So I've got one kit here. I'm going to install this. First thing we're going to do is we're going to use this grease they give us. So the grease is for going around these seals. And we're going to use it to put these in first. And then once we get those settled in, we'll start to move to around to everything else. I think that'll probably be the best way to do it. can go in nice and straight. And we are. That moves really fluidly. I'm very happy with that. And would you look at that? See these suckers on here. Got a rebuilt Caliper, repainted, new pieces. All right, new seals. I'm sure that this is going to function much better. Alright, so now that we've got our bike, put it back together, taking it out for its first test drive. This is going to actually be one of my longest rides at the beginning of it, but glad it all worked out. You can see I'm getting proper braking pressure, it's all working nicely, I'm able to stop with control. So this was a successful repair. We totally found the correct issue, and I'm glad to be able to be riding it not safe. So that wraps up part one of the build series, where we're going to be working on this 1982 Honda Magna. I purchased this bike off of Facebook, and will continue to be working on it and documenting all of the things that I've done repairs on, and upgraded, and anything else. If you had this bike, or you know all the things that are going to be wrong, and you want to give me some of your advice and point me in a direction, feel free to leave me a comment. I appreciate everyone coming by, and I look forward to continuing this series until I have a beautifully functioning, restored 1982 Honda Magna. See you on the next one.